Hey guys, I wanted to get on and show you one of my favorite things that I've just gotten, and I love it, love it, love it. I have a new LED light as a makeup mirror. I like it. I got it on Amazon, and it's GOTOFIND. GOTOFIND. Is that all one word? Is that how you say it? GOTOFIND. GOTOFIND, GOTOFIND, or is GOTOFIND. Anyway, that's what it is, and that's what it looks like. Now, it comes with this. When you see this little thing right here, you're supposed to put it on the back, on the front of it, wherever you want to put it. Hide it in a drawer. Don't look in it. It'll depress you. It did me. You don't want to look at this 10X. No way. No. Just run, throw it in the wall. I mean, don't use that. That's, why would you even give me one of those? Why would anybody my age will ever want to look at that? Unless you want to pull a hair or something. Sorry. Anyway, this is the side of it. And this sits into this little tray here. I'm going to show it to you in just a second. It has a power, so you can do it by battery, or you have a cable that you, USB port that's plugged in right now, and unplug. So well, you can tell it's plugged in. It's plugged into the wall. I'm just charging it, but and it says batteries as well, so I've got to check on that. But anyway, it's got a dimmer right here, a dimmer. It's really, I'm trying to get where it won't be so blinding to you, but anyway. Isn't that neat? It just touches, and you've got a power source in the back, and that's where you plug in USB port. I think I'm saying that right. Oh, batteries go there, so I'll have to get me some batteries. I'm not sure why you need both. Maybe you don't, but yes. It says on here, next generation LED lighting system closely simulates natural sunlight, bright, soft, long-lasting, and more natural. Well, we'll see about that, all right? Okay. Excellent power supply mode, battery operated, and cable supply both are available. Include is the supply cable, which it was. And I just used my little adapter from my iPhone to plug it in. It's a portable 10 plus magnification spot mirror. See any details while you do your makeup. Not me. Smart dimming touch sensor, which I showed you that. Switch, a portable design, easy to use, made of premium quality material, nice looking and durable. The base feels great, and it does. But that little right here, this base right here, it just slide down into it. So I like it. I'm glad I got it. But as far as the 10X magnification spot mirror and the smart touch, then it's got the LED lamp strip and the directional rotation, which this mirror will move, up or down or whatever you want to do it. So, that being said, I just wanted to show it to you again. I got it on Amazon. Oh, it's got a little thing to wipe it down when you get fingerprints all over it, which I will. And I like it. I think I've talked a long time about this one little mirror, but I like it. I wanted to share it with you. And I forgot the price. I'll look it up and put it down in the description, okay? I hope you guys have a great day, happy day. Hope it's full of sunshine and beautiful memories. Don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And stay tuned. I'm going to be doing some more cooking videos. And if you think that's a good idea, let me know in the description. If not, just don't tell me. I don't need negative. I just need positive in my life. I love you guys. Until tomorrow. Oh, don't forget to be kind. Be kinder than they are.